Do you feel like you don't speak enough Korean? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
In this video, you will learn 10 of the most common words and phrases in Korean. Hi everybody, my name is Yoon. Welcome to the 2000 Core Korean Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 2000 most common words and phrases in Korean. Each lesson will help you practice and review what you've learned. We'll also include the previous lessons at the end because reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at KoreanClass101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard decks, and finally, master Korean. Okay, let's get started. First is 사소한, insignificant. 사소한, 사소한, insignificant. 사소한 일, insignificant event. 사소한 일, 유명한, famous. 유명한, 유명한, famous. 유명한 배우, famous actor. 유명한 배우. 재채기, sneeze. 재채기, 재채기, sneeze. 여자가 재채기를 한다. The woman is sneezing. 여자가 재채기를 한다. 간편, casual. 간편, 간편, casual. 간편 복장, casual clothing. 간편 복장. 기타, guitar. 기타, 기타, guitar. 전자기타, electric guitar. 전자기타. 호흡하다, breathe. 호흡하다, 호흡하다, breathe. 깊게 호흡하다, breathe deeply. 깊게 호흡하다. 침을 뱉다, spit. 침을 뱉다, 침을 뱉다. 침을 뱉지 마시오, no spitting. 침을 뱉지 마시오. 치과, dentist. 치과, 치과, dentist. 치과에 가다, see a dentist. 치과에 가다. 충치, cavity. 충치, 충치, cavity. 심한 충치, deep cavity. 심한 충치. 천식, asthma. 천식, 천식, asthma. 천식용 흡입기, asthma inhaler. 천식용 흡입기. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Korean, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Insignificant. 사소한, 사소한. famous. 유명한, 유명한 sneeze 재채기 재채기 casual 간편 간편 guitar 기타 기타 breathe 호흡하다 호흡하다 spit 침을 뱉다 침을 뱉다 dentist 치과 치과 cavity 충치 충치 eczema 천식 천식 Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 10 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at KoreanClass101.com to get access to the full list of vocabulary you need for daily conversations. You also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time! 잘 가요!
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the Word Bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.